In today's video, I'll show you how to use Outlook tasks to stay organized and manage your workload efficiently. First, open Microsoft Outlook and sign in with your email and password. Once logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen for the To Do icon, which looks like a check mark. Click on it to access the Tasks section. To create a new task, type the task name in the input box. Give it a clear title so you'll know exactly what needs to be done later. Next, set a due date by clicking the calendar icon. Pick a date that works with your schedule. This helps you manage your time and meet deadlines. After adding the details, click Save to lock in the task information, and then Add to include it in your task list. Your new task is now organized and ready to track. You can also manage your tasks by marking them as complete when done, or reviewing upcoming tasks in the To-Do bar for a quick overview. Using Outlook tasks regularly helps prevent task overload, keeps your work balanced, and boosts productivity. And that's it! You've successfully used Outlook tasks to organize your to-dos and take control of your schedule. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking!